If you didn't watch geometry part 1, go back to the video for geometry part 1, go back to geometry part 2, watch. Because this is part 3 where we're looking at how to find what? Distance. Okay? There is distance in latitude. This is a formula for the distance in latitude. You can use this one or this one. Now, the papa, there's a sign. Here. Listen. Longitude. Check what? The distance. I know it's a bit complicated. We'll figure it out. Yeah. So these two distance, these two formulas are one and the same. The same now. Chimozi mozi. Now, apart the says, they are not the same. You know, distance can either be kilometers or nautical miles. These two formulas, they are used for both. They are used for what? Both in kilometers and someone that says, in formula 9, you can use it for either kilometers distance or nautical miles. What? Nautical miles. In short, this is a concept. Manje. You. Remember that? Manje. This one. Theta. Which is the same thing here. Angle difference in longitude. Times 60 nautical miles. For x degrees. It is only for nautical miles. Hello? You people are not getting it. They are the same. But you can use them to find the distance in kilometers or what? Yeah. But in formula, it is only for what? You can't use it in kilometers. You can't. This one is only for nautical miles. The scientists who discovered this one, they discovered for only nautical miles. So be the first one to discover the formula that can be used only for kilometers. Be the first one. As I also struggle to try and find the formula, I've been researching. My research is almost done on the formula that we can only use for kilometers. So that we shouldn't be bothering because if it is nautical miles, we just use this one. If it is in kilometers, we just use this one. Like a person discovered this one. Imagine the problem at the point which I should discover the other one. The person died. So let's be the first one. That's why I'm called the prophet who tried by all means. I also discover. Like the way I discovered, but is it data programming? Inequalities, yes. So I challenge you, be the first one. And we'll give you the award that you've given this guy. Okay? So about the point. Those who are copying, let's copy with it. It's very important. You know what to do. I really want you to know this because that is the basis of paper 1. Distance. They ask about distance. Okay? We said distance in latitude. We looked at the formulas. Right? Now, there is distance in what? Longitude. Longitude. Okay? Same thing. The same formulas for latitude. They will appear here, but you're just going to remove the last part. What do I mean? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r cos x. But we are going to remove what? Cos x. Meaning we have the formula for longitude. Is that okay? So you are free to use this one, or you can master theta over what? 180 times pi r 7. And we said these are used for both what? Kilometers and nautical miles. And don't forget, these two angles, they are difference in latitude. It's opposite, but you can ignore that for now. The same thing, that guy, before he died, that scientist, he discovered also the formula for nautical miles. Only theta times the 60 nautical miles cos x degrees. But under longitude, you are going to remove what? Cos x. So no need of this cos. This guy is only used for nautical miles only. Is that okay? Hello? These are the distance formulas that we are going to need for us to do paper 1. Remember? For us to do what? Paper 1. We need this. Can we? Let's go. These are the formulas for distance. Okay? The other part we need is time. How do we find time? Okay? How do we find what? Time between places. How do we find time between places? Well, yeah, there are rules, but due to time, my rules are we'll learn them later on. But we need to know this formula. X represents time difference. Time what? Difference. We have theta over 15 degrees. This formula helps us to find any time at any point between these edge surface. Okay? Mwaona? It represents angle difference in longitude. In short, you get the longitude angles. Okay? You get the longitude angles, angle difference in longitude, angle difference in latitude, and so on and so forth. As we go on, we shall also find out what happens when you divide, then it gives you decimals. It gives you a fraction. Okay? That one we're also going to find out. But just write somewhere, 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes. That one helps. Okay? 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes. Those two things, if they are going to be help us. Okay? Yeah. So anything to do with time, we use that formula. The other formula is the speed. You can see that in speed. Okay? Speed. Speed is equals to distance over time. The distance can either be in longitude, the distance can either be in latitude. Time they normally give. They will give you. Okay? But just a caution, when they say speed in knots, that simply means distance is in nautical miles, not kilometers. When they say find the speed in knots, they are simply saying you will find the distance for your card. This is the whole information that anyone can need in order to solve any geometry question. Don't write anything. Any geometry question you can answer using this information. So, those who are watching, this video basically looked at the formulas, the information you need to answer this. There will be a video for questions now on earth geometry from the past paper. So look out for that video so that you now learn and see on how to do these things. For now, till we meet, we can end there. But often on Darama, I wrote that number there. So my class has been very attentive. They are quiet people. Yeah, that's my number. You can reach for online lessons, for tuition, physical, homeschooling, whatsoever you need. Reach out on that number. Till we meet. Thank you.